Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If this is your first video, thank you guys so much for clicking on this, your very first video on my channel. Now, as the title suggests, guys, life updates. I'm back, new job, what's my immigration status. I'm gonna be getting into all of that in this video, guys. So of course you guys would have noticed that I have not posted in a while, right? Not only that I've not posted in a while, guys, but many persons have been trying to connect with us, and we have not been able to reach out back to many persons over the past 2 weeks. Now, what is the reason for that, guys? There's a number of reasons, but none more being than just like we have just gotten so busy all of a sudden. Natsa started working again, as many of you guys would have known already from previous videos. Even though it's a part-time job, it's kind of becoming a little bit demanding on our schedule, because when I'm done with work, I have to like have the kids, and then Nats can work. So because of that, there's not much room to do anything else. So if you guys are here and you guys were expecting some videos, you know, last week and the week before, I want to apologize that you guys have not been getting any content, but nonetheless, we are trying to do better. And you know what, guys, sometimes it's good to take a little break, just to spend with family, and just to spend on yourself, and just to invest in your own development and your own sustenance. So I think that was what we did over the past 2 weeks. So for the many persons who are still here, thank you guys so much. We really and truly appreciate you guys. And for all the newbies coming on, guys, you will not be disappointed. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, smash a like button, guys, and definitely share the video, share the content, so that other persons can see what's happening over here, or little corner of YouTube. You understand, guys? Life update. Where am I in my life right now, guys? So the other day I put a poll on the community section of my channel, and that poll was, if you had the choice to choose between a higher paying job or a job that offers better job security, what would be your choice? And you know what, guys, it wasn't a definitive win, but ultimately more persons chose that they would have chosen a higher paying job, right? And some persons said that they would have chosen job security. I think I had like 180 to 280 votes, and I think it worked out to be like 58% of persons said that they would have chosen a higher paying job, and 42% said that they would have chosen job security. Neck and neck, right? Now, why did I ask that question, guys? I asked that question because I was torn between making a decision a few weeks ago. So I got offered a job in a top 5 bank here in Canada, and well, actually it's the #1 bank in North America. I got offered a manager position. Some of you guys would have known already, but I'm currently working with another bank, and there was a lot of room for growth, for potentially becoming a manager in the future as well. So I had to make a decision that wasn't easy. Should I jump ship and take what is in front of me right now, which offers more pay and more everything right now, or should I stay and be loyal to a bank that, you know what, gave me the first shot when I just came to Canada, and there's a lot of room for growth in the future? So that was something that I struggled with, guys, because when it comes to employment and job, it's not just about the money. It's more about flexibility, room for growth, where you see yourself in the future, and all of that. So I was torn between decisions, and it was a very difficult decision. And everyone who participated in that poll, I just want to say thank you very much, because you know what, your input actually aided my decision. And of course, guys, my decision was to take what is in front of me right now, which is the manager position, which is a higher paying job, with the intention to go in and do the best I can, which ultimately can lead to the same job security that I have right now. Now, in making that decision, guys, I had to like take a step back, and I had to focus on everything. I had to look on all areas of my life. I had to look on the pros and the cons, and what's best for me and my family right now, because ultimately, guys, you know that the most important thing in a man's life, or in anyone who has kids' life, is the sustenance of their family. Family is everything, not only to me, but to many of you guys as well. So any decision that I made would have needed to be the best decision that was needed for my family at this point in time. So I chose the job that was in front of me right now, with and just know, say, I'm not leaving my current bank on any bad terms, so that in the future, if another opportunity comes up, then I can always, based on the fact that I have tenure and based on the fact that I have a good relationship with most persons there, I can choose to go back if needs be. But you know, one of my rules is to never go back, so I don't know how that is going to be in the future, but I'm just optimistic and I'm just positive and I'm just being hopeful that I've made the right decision. I'm confident that I did, but I just hope the universe and all the favors of life just open up in my favor, so that it works out to be the best decision, if you guys understand. So that was one of the reasons, guys, why you haven't been seeing me much. I haven't done a live in so long, guys. I haven't done a live in so long, guys. I know that you guys are probably wondering what's up with the live, what going with the Andersons, yo. You understand? We're still here, guys. Our intention is still the same. Our intention is still to provide as much experience as possible to you guys through us, in terms of share what it is really like here in Canada. As a student, as a permanent resident, as a newbie, as a new immigrant, right? So that is our intention, and a part of that intention is to get persons on our channel who have been here and walked the waters before, who can share their wealth of knowledge with our community. So we haven't been doing that in a few weeks, guys, but don't worry yourself, it's coming back very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for your patience, right? Now, there's a saying, guys, if you want to know a road that you have never traveled before, all you need to do is to ask somebody who has traveled that road, right? So you don't need to go through life to get your own experience. You can learn from other person's experiences, and that is one of the things that we are big on. That's one of the things that we are really, really passionate about. We are really passionate about sharing our experience for everyone who wants to know, everyone who wants to understand, everyone who wants to make the shift. We are always encourage everyone to do it. It's not easy. It's not an easy road, guys. Leaving your home country to come into another country where you're dealing with different aspects, different nuances, how to navigate the system. It's not the same. It's not easy. But you know what, guys? It is possible. And why we do these videos so much and why we do these videos so often is so that you guys can have an opportunity to see what things is like before you actually get here. So we really hope that you guys appreciate this content, right? So definitely don't hesitate to hit that like button if it is that you guys like the content that we're pushing out, and don't forget to subscribe and share the channel, so that we can bring up our subscription count to over 10,000 subscribers. All right, guys, we can't do it without you. Okay, that's enough begging. Yeah, that's enough begging. Moving on. What is our immigration status? So guys, you guys would have known before from previous videos that we have already made our application for permanent residency through the TR to PR program, which is the temporary program that was instituted last year. They had 4 streams. They had stream A, essential workers in healthcare. They had stream B, essential workers non-healthcare, and then they have international student graduates, and then they have French speaking candidates. So those were the 4 streams that was open last May to November, that gave persons who fall in one of those categories the opportunity to apply for permanent residency. Now that was the stream that we have applied for, guys. We have applied for that stream because we were qualified both as an international student graduate and also as an essential worker non-healthcare. So of course we shot application as soon as the thing was possible. We did our medical, did our English test, did every single thing, and submitted everything up front. Now, of course, there's a huge backlog in IRCC's system. So because of that, we haven't gotten a response as yet, but we're not alone. Like thousands of other persons who have submitted their application has not gotten a feedback. I think there was 90,000 persons who were eligible who were like, the streams only offered spaces for 90,000 candidates. As soon as it reached 90,000, then the stream would have been closed, right? And out of that 90,000 people, I think less than 10,000 persons have gotten a response. So we are not alone. So we're just here waiting. While we're waiting though, guys, we're seeking to embark on, trying another way, just to kind of speed up the process a little bit. We have gotten letter of interest from Alberta. So that's something that is awesome, guys. We have gotten the letter of interest from Alberta asking us to apply for permanent residency to Alberta, which is our province, which is the province we love. So that is awesome, guys. So that is an interesting update for you guys. We have a few more weeks to submit our thing. We have all our documentation ready, and we are gonna be sending in that, even though we know that our other thing can come through at any minute. But you know, we are Jamaican and we have a saying, don't put all your egg in one basket. So that is what we are doing. We are you know, just taking advantage of all the opportunities that have been coming our way. And yeah, hopefully we get our good news very soon. And I know that many of you guys are probably watching this video and you're waiting on your good news as well. Be it probably a work permit, be it a study permit, it might be a permanent residency, express entry, whatever it may be, guys. I just want to say, just keep positive. Keep positive and keep hopeful, and know, say, oh, it's gonna work out, right? It's definitely gonna work out, and as long as you have the right energy and everything was done as it was supposed to be done, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. Everything is gonna be good, right? So definitely, I just want to send that positive vibration and strength in somebody's direction who's probably frustrated with the waiting period at IRCC. God knows we are too, but it is what it is, and you just have to just make the best of the situation, right? So that's just how that is. Now, as it relates to the kids, guys, because this is a full life update, the kids are good. Malia is now 2 weeks away from being 6 months. Yo, she's just an awesome little girl. Yo, Malia is just like, she's just like the perfect baby. I'm not even exaggerating. It's like she's just like exactly what we needed. She is not fussy. She's just calm. She's just chill. And you know what? We can see that, okay, then if anything should happen to us in life, being Nats and I, we know that Malia is here to take care of Malika. So yeah, so that's something that we are really happy about. Yeah, it doesn't mean that there's gonna be any more kids, so there's no baby fever in here or anything like that. I just wanted to share that. And as it relates to Malika, Malika is starting kindergarten this coming fall. She was a part of a PUF program, which is for kids with of course with autism and other disability or other special needs. So she's going now to official kindergartens where she will be interacting with other kids. So that's exciting and also a little bit nerve-wracking at the same time, but we're prepared mentally, and yeah, we're just gonna be doing the best we can to support Malika in our life's journey. So Malika is still non-verbal, as you guys would have known. She's making a lot of improvement. We're getting a lot of support from the school, and huge shout out to what's her name? Well, yeah, to Terry. You shout out if you're watching this video. That's Malika's teacher. You shout out to Rochelle. You shout out to everyone. Everyone is just so supportive. Everyone just gives us so much hope and optimism and support in whatever way we need. So we just want to say a huge shout out to that school and to everyone who's a part of that community. And you know what, guys, as Malika start kindergarten in September, we'll just send strength in her direction from now. And definitely, guys, if you are the praying person, pray for us, man. You just send some positive energy our way. Definitely send some strength, some positive energy, anything you can, some prayers, whatever, in our way, so that Malika can have a smooth transition to kindergartens. Because of course, when you have a special needs child and then that child is in a class with like non-special needs child, then it's a little bit scary because you're wondering if they're gonna be like bullying her and what, all sort of stuff start going through your mind. So we could just send some positive vibrations. Everything is gonna be good. Everything is gonna be okay as it relates to the new job, as it relates to our status, every single thing. Let us just hope that everything is good. The year has started off with a bang, guys. We are now in March. Most of our goals are coming together. That's good. As I said, our immigration goals are being worked on. Everything apart from the Alberta letter of interest that we have to actually submit. Everything else is out of our hands, and everything else is in the hands of the universe, pretty much. So there's nothing much we can do but just to be hopeful. As it relates to getting a manager job, I'm super excited about that, and I'm just looking forward to being able to make you guys proud. To make you guys proud, you know, leaving Jamaica just less than 3 years ago. Coming to a new country and navigating the system the way I think we have been doing. I think we have been doing exceptionally well. And going into this new position, I'm going to be able to like create an avenue, create a bridge, create a way that for other Jamaicans who like come to like this part of the world, I can now help you in navigating the system. I can help you in finding a job. I can actually probably employ you if you're qualified. So at the end of the day, I just hope that I'm making you guys proud. In every way possible. You don't know, say, oh, we leave our home country, if we come to these countries just for just hustle. You get what I mean, guys? It's not for nothing else. It's for just hustle and just make the most of what we can while we can. You get what I say? Achieve every single thing we want in life as quick as possible, as fast as possible, and just hustle. And that is what we've been doing. We've been grinding, right? So we deal with racism. We deal with people who feel like, say, oh, because of our different skin color, them more privileged. We deal with the weather, which is constantly cold. We deal with so many things, guys. We can't do in a farm full. So we hope I make you guys proud, and we hope you guys can find some motivation in our story, in my story, if you know, say, oh, it's just a normal get to you, just like you guys. Once never have a clue or I would end up in this position, to now growing and matriculating to different roles and to leadership positions as well. I hope I can motivate somebody somewhere to know that it is possible. It is possible for you to achieve everything that you want to achieve if this is your goal, right? But you have to remain focused. You have to remain disciplined, and you have to put your best foot forward at all times. So that is the intention, and of course Nats is growing. Nats is shelling down for her little job too. She has shell it down. She's getting so much compliments. She's growing. Before you know it, she's gonna be matriculating into another role as well. Yeah, because you know, guys, we are a team and we work together. And if I strive, she strive. If she strive, I strive. That's how it is. That's definitely how it is. So yeah, that's where we are in our life. That's how we are in our life right now, guys. So again, apologies for being absent for a little while. All the persons who haven't reached out to in a little while, apologies, guys. I'm telling you, it's just the way life is. Sometimes there's rain, sometimes there's sunshine, sometimes, you know, sometimes you just need a little break to focus on yourself and your own family. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I promise it won't take me 2 weeks to do another video, guys. I have a lot of content lined up for you guys. Some persons have asked me to speak on certain topics. I'm gonna try and do the best I can. Remember, guys, I'm no immigration consultant. Whatever you hear on this channel is solely the opinion of myself and my wife and anyone else who will get to come on this channel. We share our experiences. We have been through it. We're still going through it. And we have lots of friends and family members who have been through it. So we are just sharing our experience and hope that our experience can guide you guys on your journey. So we are not giving you immigration consultation because, listen, we are not immigration officers. We're not immigration consultants. We don't know. The only thing we know is what we did. Legit, that's the only thing we know is what we did. So many persons are always reaching out to us, and to be honest, some persons ask some ridiculous questions. We don't know. Bottom line is we don't know. We don't know. Right? So if you're gonna ask me like certain questions where definitely our immigration consultant is gonna know, then we're not gonna be able to answer those questions, right? Now, it is one of our dreams to go and become an immigration consultant. I'm not sure how possible that is gonna be anymore. Seeing that I'm starting another position and all of that, and I was hoping to raise enough school fee so that I can take on that journey. So then I would then be in a position to like assist more further along the lines that you guys would need me to assist. But until then, guys, yeah, this is just what it is. We share our life journey, we share our experiences, and we hope that you guys appreciate it. Much love, guys. Check out the links in all the description, guys. Follow us on all socials. DiAndersons on Instagram. If you want to follow me, it's the real Dems. The_real_Dems on Instagram, and check us out on Facebook as well. The Andersons. Shoot us a message. Check out our GoFundMe. Any way you can support, send some love. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next clip. Big up on yourself. Have a fantastic day. Remember to take care of your mental health. It's just as important as a physical health. And what else? Health is wealth. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.